Hi, it's Josh here from Saliba with your latest Sydney property market update. Over the past few months, we've seen a clear tightening in listing volumes. In fact, CoreLogic data shows that new listings in Sydney have been sitting around 15 to 20% below the 5-year average. This shortage of supply, combined with recent interest rate cuts, has significantly decreased competition for the properties that are available. We're seeing more buyers at open homes, quicker decision making, and in many cases, stronger than expected sale prices. For sellers, this environment has been incredibly favourable, particularly for well-presented, correctly priced homes in desirable pockets of the city. Now, it's worth noting that this current level of heat in the market may not last indefinitely. As we move into spring, we typically see a seasonal lift in new listings. It's the most active time of the year in Sydney real estate, and while buyer demand often remains strong, more stock gives buyers more choice, and that can reduce urgency and soften some of the competitive tension we're seeing right now. If you're thinking about selling in spring, it's actually wise to start planning now. Getting ahead with preparation, whether that's styling, maintenance, or marketing strategy, that can give you a real edge before the rush of the new listings hit. And keep in mind, buyers today are still navigating a changing interest rate landscape. While rates have eased slightly, many are anticipating further cuts over the next 6 to 12 months. This has brought more confidence back into the market, but also means that buyer behaviour could shift again depending on how the RBA moves. So what does that mean for you? If you're a seller, it's a great time to be having a conversation about timing, strategy, and how to position your home to maximize results before competitive tension among sellers increases. Reach out if you'd like a property-specific update or a tailored game plan for spring. I'd love to help you take advantage of what's shaping to be a dynamic second half of the year this Sydney in the real estate market. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.